Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Facebook account in 2026. So if you're ready to permanently remove your profile and all your data, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Facebook app. Now, on the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Once you're inside, tap the Settings gear at the top right. Next, look for Meta Account Center. You'll see a blue text option that says See More in Account Center. Go ahead and tap that. Scroll down until you find Manage Accounts, then tap on it. You'll now see your connected accounts, Facebook, Instagram, or both. Choose the account you want to delete permanently, then tap Manage icon in top right. From here, select Deactivation or Deletion. On the next page, choose Delete Account, then tap Continue with the bottom. Now you'll be asked to pick a reason for deleting your account. Select any reason you want, and then tap Continue. Facebook will show some info about what happens when your account is deleted. You can read it if you want, but I'm going to tap Continue at the bottom. Eventually, Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm that the account belongs to you. Enter your Facebook password, then tap Continue again. Finally, on the last screen, confirm that you want to delete your account. After a few seconds, Facebook will log you out automatically and process the deletion, and your account will be permanently removed. And that's it! Your Facebook account is officially on its way to being deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.